the biggest disservice to creators working with advertisers has been short form. I think Instagram has TikTok have distracted an entire part of the industry from developing a subtle, nuanced, and expertise-led approach to influencer marketing that has just funneled down into numbers, transactional content, programmatic sales. We could have had the same wonder. I hate to talk about Mad Men and the ad style of like TV content, TV ads and print ads. That could have come to long form content, and I think it's been distracted, and we are going to now. It's going to take another 2, 3, 5, 10 years to see what the pinnacle of what we are doing could be.